In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see who has the ability to edit your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the share button up at the top right. Underneath people with access, it'll give you a list of everyone that has access to your slides, as well as their permission level on the right. And underneath general access, if it's open to anyone with the link, that's certainly possible that that's what's allowing people to edit it. So they don't even technically need to be given permission by you. Just having general access allows anyone to get on. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.